Good day everyone. This video is all about finding solution to dining philosopher problem using semaphores via C language. The dining philosopher problem states that K philosophers seated around a circular table with one chopstick between each pair of philosophers. There is one chopstick between each philosopher. A philosopher may eat if he can pick up the two chopsticks adjacent to him. One chopstick may be picked up by one of its adjacent followers but not both. Each philosopher is represented with this pseudocode. There are three states of this philosopher, which are thinking, hungry, and eating. And in here, there are two semaphores, which are the mutex and the semaphore array for the philosophers. Mutex is used such that no two philosophers may access the pick up or put down at the same time. The array is used to control the behavior of each philosopher, but semaphores can result in deadlock due to programming errors. Let's get started. So here we have our libraries. Then right here we have our void test method. So this method is used to test whether the current philosopher, both the left and the right, are not eating. So like this, if current philosopher is hungry, then the left philosopher is not eating, then there will be 2 seconds is what we stated here, and then print and display this. Next is void take fork. Here we're using the semaphore, so there's sem wait. State the philosopher is hungry, and then we'll print this, then calling the test method, and then here we have sem post to unlock the semaphore. And here, if unable to eat, wait to be signaled, then sem wait, then sleep for 1 second. And that's how take fork method operates. Next, we have here put fork. We need to lock first the semaphore and then state that philosopher is thinking by printing this, and then calling the test for the left and right of the philosophers, then unlock the semaphore via sem post. Moving forward, this philosopher method, this will run obviously for the philosophers, so you should run this while loop in here, then sleep for just a second, and then take fork from the above take fork method which we discussed earlier, then sleep for 0 seconds, then after that put fork by calling the put fork method in the above code. Then lastly, the main method, first declaring I, then followed by p thread. Next, we're going to initialize the semaphores using this loop. Then this section will create philosophers processes, then at last join thread, and that's how main method function. After that, let's try to run it. So let's compile and run this code. The code perfectly works and the output looks like this. So that's the solution in dining philosopher's problem. Thank you so much for listening.